gold. Box number, or break number 5. Let's get it. Let's pull a nice Mariota. Justin D with 5, J-Mass 6, Dave 2, Lup 5, Dirty Deeds 5, Dave 2, Dirty John 3, and J-Mass with 4. J-Mass, you have 10. There's your spot automatically into the Saquon Barkley jersey giveaway, man. Thank you. 5 times random.org, guys. Or once. Twice. 3 times. 4 times. J-Mass, you a Penn State fan? Oh, you guys are Eagles fans. I don't know if you guys are Penn State fans. I assume so. John, you're on top. Justin, you're on the bottom there. 5 times. Column B. Dirty John Cardinals, Dave Falcons, J-Mass Ravens, Bills Panthers, Lut Bears, J-Mass Bengals, Dirty John Browns, Blut Cowboys, J-Mass Broncos, Justin Lions, J-Mass Packers. Dirty Texans, Justin Colts, Dave Jags, Dirty Chiefs, Lut Rams, J-Mass Dolphins, Lut Vikings, Dave Patriots, Dirty Saints, J-Mass Giants, Justin Jets, Dirty Raiders, J-Mass Eagles, Dirty John Steelers, Justin Chargers, Lut Niners, J-Mass Seahawks, Dirty Bucks, Dave Titans, and Justin D with the Skins. Alright, guys. Hold the train. Maybe you didn't. Let me see. Is the thing on me? Let me check. Justin's good. J-Mass is good. Lot is good. Dirty's good. Dave hitting for those 2. Dirty John. Did not. My bad, man. Yeah, my bad. I forgot to put those in there, so I didn't realize there was 4 that J-Mass grabbed them. We can just transfer it over to the next one. I'm sure we'll do one more. I'll transfer. I mean, my bad. We'll do another break. I'll get you the first spots. I'll get you the first spots in that one. My bad, man. Sorry, Mark. Yeah, it's just fault. No, man. I mean, maybe. There's a Saints hits. I'll give you a free pack of cards. Is that fair? Akon. Des Bryant, 25 for them Cowboys. Oh my goodness. Devontae Booker at 99. Let me just get the 1 touchdown, fellas. Big hit alert. Big hit alert. Big hit alert. Next hit. Carson Wentz auto out of 99. Carson Wentz out of 99. Wow. We pulled a Jared Goff out of 25 yesterday. We got a Carson Wentz. Alright. Nice hit. Damn. Carson Wentz. Woo! Who's got Philadelphia? Alright, there's your boy Carson Wentz auto. Very nice. Kev doesn't like us anymore. Quad jersey, Devontae Freeman, Jameis Winston, Rashad Green, and Carlos Williams. We'll have to random that one off. You that had Philly? Will Fuller for the Texans at a 99. Mark, you knew for sure. You're like, I definitely would have had the Eagles. Alright, let's see if Jared Goff's in this one. Josh Doxson, 199. Nice. Austin Hooper for the Falcons auto. Austin Hooper. 100%. Emmanuel Ogbah auto. 199. Jacoby Brissett for the Patriots, 199. And Phillip Rivers out of 49. It seems like a lot of these boxes have these very similar cards. The print line must not be too much for this series.
I'm here.
Siri, what are you doing? All right. Let's see where these are going. Siri's not Siri. I know. She doesn't listen. Alright, guys. Philadelphia Eagles, the world will start. JMass, LSCHS. Nice Carson Wentz, man. Very nice. Carson Wentz auto going to JMass. Nice pull. And he's got a Cam Newton on-card auto coming his way as well. Pulled that beauty out of one pack yesterday. JMass. Okay. Austin Hooper for the Atlanta Falcons. My man Dave. We'll have to randomize that next. For the Texans, Shadow Box Will Fuller at a 99 for the Houston Texans. Dirty Deeds. There you guys go. Dez Bryant for the Cowboys. Lutt, ANDR. Andrew Lutt. Alright. Phillip Rivers for the Chargers. Justin D. Jacoby Brissett for the Patriots. Sweet Dizzle, Dave. Nice hit. Alright, Emmanuel Ogbah, Oklahoma. For the Brownies, Dirty John. There you guys go. Very nice. Oh, let's randomize this one. Let's see where all these are going. Josh Doxson for Washington. Justin D. And then we have Devontae Booker for Denver. I got a JMass as well. Carson Wentz. Houston. Eagles. Alright guys, Ram.org. We have Devontae Freeman Falcons, Winston, Tampa Bay, Carlos Williams, Bills. Rashad Green, I don't know. Rashad. That's going to be Jacksonville. Alright, 5 times. Once. Twice. 3 times. 4 times. 5 times. Tampa Bay. That's where the quad's going. Tampa Bay Buccaneers going to go Dirty Deeds. Nice hit, Dirty Deeds. Alright guys, column C 5 times Moran.org. Whoever's on top will get that spot into the Saquon Barkley jersey. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and Andrew Lutt. There you go, man. You got a spot into a Saquon Barkley autographed jersey, man. Free giveaway there. Alright guys, thanks again. See if we can do another box.